Alright, hey, what's going on everyone? Before we get into this video, I gotta mention that this was actually from last year. I've been catching up on videos. I've got a lot backlogged and I'm actually finally starting to catch up on them. But the next video you're seeing is a race from last season. So I'll finish off a couple more races in 2021. Then we'll go back into 2022 races, which I only have a few of those filmed right now because most of them are at the same place. But when we go somewhere new, I'll bring you guys with. But we're gonna get into last year's race videos and then we'll finish out this year strong. So let's get back into the video. Yeah, we're gonna go see the race. All right, welcome back, squad. Guess where we are? We are in Mesquite MX, which is in Littlefield, Arizona, for round 9 of WORCS racing. This place looks ridiculous. It's kind of like built into this little pit down here. As you can see, there's like mountains and ridge lines all around me. And they've got a monster step down that I don't even know if anybody has the angle to do right now. But we're getting some people up on the line right now. I think Alicia's gonna be at 10:20 and a couple friends are gonna be out there in Open B. So let's get to the start line and see this thing go off. Okay, come on. Oh, oh, oh. This is beautiful. There's pit row right there. Start line right here. First turn, hole shot right there. Right around that first turn. It's going to be tight. It's basically whoever gets to the turn first. That's going to be tight. And there's a nice table right here. Oh man, this is going to be great. Love you too!
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah, what's up, YouTube? What's up? What's up? What's up? Get the hell out of here. Weirdo! that's going to do it for us from this round. As you can see, had a pretty good weekend. Got whole shot today. The wife got third on Saturday. We got to pit with some cool people. We got Jason Zittel back here and his buddy Brad. All these other people that hung out with us for the weekend. Kind of ended in disaster though. Got the whole shot and then was running second for the first lap, doing really good. We were pulling away from the pack a little bit, and then I decided to send it over a big double that I never saw before. So I just went and sent it off it anyway. And that's when that happened. So, snapped the bolts off inside the frame to my foot peg and bent the heck out of this Nerf bar. So I could not continue anymore, and now I gotta go back and try to fix all this. So I'll have to take a look at the frame and make sure I didn't break anything, but so far everything else looks good. No bent axle at least, and I'm in one piece, so. But I didn't get to finish the race. So I was looking for a good podium today, and that didn't happen. Disaster strikes. Anyway, it happens in racing, but we're gonna put it back together, make sure we're ready for the last round of the year, round 10 in Prim, and so far sitting pretty in fourth in points. I was hoping to make some up this weekend, but whatever. Yeah, I'm doing more videos.
What's up?
Yeah, we got to pit with this dude this weekend.
Grab that. Check your
Oh, here we go.
Look at
Oh
us.
yeah!
Dude, we're real boys. We're real boys right here.
At least we can drag race.
Yeah. Well, at least we're good at one start. The start.
Hey, thanks dude for letting us pit with you this weekend.
For
That
real,
was
man.
awesome.
You guys are family, man. That's what the sport's all about.
It was good. Anyway, signing off. I'll catch you guys in Prim.